Hello there everyone and welcome to Maghull North Railway Station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 777-043 working the 10 o'clock Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Next out to depart is 777-051, working the 10:04 Merseyrail service from Hunts Cross through to Ormskirk. Arriving next into the station is 777-018, working the 10:15 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Next out to depart is 777-010, working the 10:19 Merseyrail service from Hunts Cross through to Ormskirk. Arriving next into the station is 777-051, with the 10:30 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Next out to depart is 777-039, working the 10:34 Merseyrail service from Hunts Cross through to Ormskirk. Arriving next into the station is 777-010, with the 10:45 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Departing next to the station is 777-037, with the 10:49 Merseyrail service from Hunts Cross through to Ormskirk. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 777-039, working the 11 o'clock Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.